guys, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. I greatly appreciate it. Like I said yesterday, I was going to work on the lights again. So yesterday I just had this row of lights up, so I went ahead today and finished those, going all the way down. And then, like I said, there was 4 or 6 more over here. Ended up being 6. So 2 in the back. That one, these accidentally, not from me, but where they told me to put them, or where the plans show it, is right above the garage door. So if you hang the light down, the garage door can't go up. So that's on every single garage, that one, and the one behind me. So that's kind of dumb. So I just zip tied them up there right now until we figure out a solution. But I got all the lights up, all 6 of these, and the other row right there. So I just started piping these. So I'm using 1/2 inch of pipe. You probably can't really see it right here yet, but I'm getting there. So I started right here. I did a back-to-back 90, and then a 6.5 inch or 6 1/4 inch offset up, and then a box offset on top of that. So I got 6 bends on one pipe, and I was pretty proud of that. Nothing too special, but I'm just I thought it was nice and cool. Worked on pretty much the first time, so just had to add a little more kick on the offset or whatever to get it going straight. So I got that, and I got the boxes going on the back side. I wanted it on the front side, but it didn't really work out like that. So I got this box up, pipe between there, and then I got the other box up over there. And then I'm gonna work on the rest of them tomorrow. So I gotta pipe the rest of them. Some of them are already piped like up to like the halfway point or whatever, so I just gotta jump over, which is the hard part, and then going straight across. And then there is some of these are in the wrong spots, because that's why they wanted me to hang the lights, because just to know where to pipe it at or whatever. So some of it's piped like 3 rows over, so I just have to take it down and then move it over to the right stud bay, and then re-screw it up on the ceiling. And then I just have to connect these. So since they're only going straight across, I have to connect them with another piece of pipe going like this. So basically 90 out, and then 90 back into this box, and then just kind of jump between them. There's going to be 2 zones, so it's going to be like that half of the building and then this half of the building. So it will be like those are switched on one switch or occupancy sensor, and then this will be on another switch. So that's the plan. I'm not sure if I have to go between all of those ones as well, but I do know I have to go between these 3. I'm not sure. Pretty sure those ones are not. Pretty sure those ones are not jump between or pipe between those boxes yet, so I'll probably have to do all of those as well. But so far so good. Made some good progress, and be back here in the morning, and that should do it. So that's what I did today, so hopefully you enjoyed. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button. I say appreciate too much, I'm sorry. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, if you found it useful, entertainmentful, any of that good stuff. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos. I'd appreciate that as well. Hopefully I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. And then I'll probably not be working Friday, so a different kind of video Friday. And then everything else is in the description below, social medias. And if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos, make sure to hit the notification bell only if you want to. And that'll do it, guys. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out.